Hello everyone. Today I will show you peach and golden half cut crease eye makeup look. First of all, I will shape my brows with this goof proof eyebrow pencil by Benefit. I just fill the inner corners because my brows are already thick. So for base, I will use this Michelin True Color eyeshadow base on my eyes. For eyeshadow base, I always use my fingers. And then I will fix it with Essence Mattifying Powder. You can see the difference. How opaque is this? Please don't use a very thick layer of eyeshadow base because then color will be absorbed in that and it will not pop out. So first I will use this cream eyeshadow by Darol. I got it from Xiaomi. So it looks like this. It's a very beautiful cream eyeshadow with golden sparkles. For cream shadows, I use my finger. I will apply it on my lid up to the crease area. So you can see the sparkles. It's a beautiful color. It can be worn by itself. You can see. For transition shade, I will use Crisp from Tarte Pro To Go palette. This is the palette. So I will use this shade as a transition shade. I will thoroughly blend it. So for cut crease, I will use the same Michelin True Color eyeshadow base. And again we will fix it So as you can see that cut crease is not very sharp. Now we will use Sephora eyeshadow, golden eyeshadow. Its name is Girl Night Out 216, Girl Night Out. So this I will use on the inner corner from this flat brush. Just pack the eyeshadow little by little. Now you can see the difference in both heights. You can see a very natural golden peach eye look. Now for the outer corners, I will use the shade Stylin. This one, I will use this shade on the outer corners. So for that brown shade on outer corners, I am using this angle brush. Start with very light hands. Because we are just giving a hint of brown. Basically it is a peach golden look. So we will just give a light hint of brown to complete the look. So for brow bone, I will use this shade Crisp from the same palette. I will show you the palette, Tarteus Pro to Go. See, I will use a flat brush again to complete the look. So it's a very light, very subtle peach and golden eyeshadow look. Now we will use the same shadows on the lower lash line. Here we are using Stylin brown color that we used on the outer corners. We will start with this one. Then we will use Crisp in the middle to the inner corners. And towards inner corners we will lightly put Hype. Now for eyeliner, I am using Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. If you have seen my previous video, you know that I go very light-handed with the eyeliner. Okay, the last step to complete the makeup look, I am putting mascara. This is Chanel 10 Noir. You can see 10 Noir by Chanel. I ordered from Faces and I got this sample. So I'm testing it today. Let's see. Cheers. I wish I could do one eye first and then the second to see the difference. It is a very good mascara. So that's all about today's peach golden eye look. I hope you liked it.